P1.5 COB at ISE 2026. This product has captured significant customer attention. The P1.5 COB rental era is now unstoppable. Our sales team has always been professional advisors to clients, ready to solve any issue immediately. Recently, CTO Stone trained the sales team on the new SA1.5 COB at the production line. Through face-to-face training, we build stronger sales skills. With full flip chip COB design, SA1.5 delivers many benefits such as anti-glare, anti-reflection, anti-fingerprint, perfect for rental use. If you're interested in this new product, contact our sales team now.